New load of goats going in.
Little ones are always last.
Come on, guys. Don't be shy.
I don't got no corn, guys. Just go in and eat grass.
Just go in normal.
Be normal, guys.
Be normal, guys. Don't go back in.
What are you doing? They know I got corn hidden somewhere.
This one knows there's corn. Beautiful. Lock them up. I'll let you.
Now our fences, we only use Premier One fencing. They have the best goat fences out there. This is a new style of fence that they came out. We use the 42-inch single spike fences because they're the lightest, easiest to pull through difficult areas. Double spike fences, they're good for soft soil, but they're hard to work with. Those extra spikes add a lot of weight and they tangle a lot easier. But these new fences, they have new posts. They're stiffer, they're lighter. You can see we don't hardly ever have to use extra step-in posts because there's no sagging with these new ones. And they're not much more than their old style fences. So every fence we buy from now on is going to be the new Premier One.
Got that blue.
They have blue and green. I think blue probably a better choice for color. Doesn't blend in with the green foliage, whatever you call it. Snap these together like that. Overlap the fences a few inches. Tie the posts together with the string provided. And you're set. Look at how nice and straight this is. No sag at all. Even on rough terrain and uneven ground, no sagging. Great fence. Especially the new design with stiffer posts. Stiffer and lighter weight posts. So, best of both worlds. Nothing jumping this fence. High visibility. I like the black posts. The old fences had the white posts. The black posts add more contrast to the fence. More visible for deer and goats. We'll walk around and turn it back on and test it out, make sure it's shocking good. Should be good to go. So tricky parts are when we run into creeks, waterways. The goats hate the water. They won't try to cross it, but we're trying to keep dogs and coyotes out too. So we go right up to the creek edge, pound in a T-post as close as you can get to the edge of the water, and use some plastic. We use plastic twine to tie the end of the fence to the T-post, and just run a few lines of poly wire across the creek. Anytime it rains a lot, you got to check it, raise the wire up, monitor it closely. But we're supposed to be high and dry here for a few weeks, so this should work until we get, this is about a 10-acre section. That should work until we complete this, and then we'll move to the next section. But it's just one of the techniques we use for water. Water is waterways and rivers and lakes are probably the trickiest part to put fence around and up to. That's how we do it. There they are.
They're coming. Here they come.
What are you guys doing?
What's going on here?
What are you guys up to in there? Just hanging out, enjoying the weather. I like getting them out here as early as I can. But we're at least 2-3 weeks behind in the green up in the wooded areas this spring. It's been a long time coming here. They're happy.
I want them to get this right here. Oh, uh-oh. You gotta take her. You gotta take her here. They found it. There you go. Get in there. Nice. There's the original load of goats. Here comes the newbies.
So we got a group of goats on the north side of the creek and the south side of the creek.
See how this goes down.
See if they can figure out how to cross the creek and meet each other. Goats hate water, so I doubt they're gonna join forces. There's a few trees that span the length of the creek. Maybe after a while they will get brave and use a tree bridge. Reunited and it feels so good.
You can see here, they don't want to go in the water.
Getting close. Right up to the edge.
Bah! Come on, guys.
Be 80 goats off the farm after today. On to goat rentals. Get paid to feed our goats. It's not a big deal. Oh, geez. Is that floor got holes in it? You don't like it? Your brother went. You'll be fine, buddy. Oh boy. See, when you see goat poop like this, it's in clumps instead of pellets. Usually means they got some coccidosis going. So we'll have to treat their water. Coccidosis.
Ooh.
Guys,
Oh! You guys okay? You can do it. Oh! Let me help you out here. You made it. You made it. You want their mommy. It's okay. There's your mommy.
Whoa.